fun, little messy, whimsical. I love them. So today I am going to work on some little ornaments. Let's see, how about we do 8 at a time? Seems to fit well. So cute. So of course I have the string. I love the candy cane style string that you can hang them on, or you can do twine as well. So I might do, so this is, of course, we haven't put our tree up yet in the shop, but I thought it would be really nice to get ahead and to begin to create all the ornaments. And then I can decorate the tree, put them all for sale. And right now, of course, we're in mid-November-ish, so I'm going to get started now. I purchased 100 ornaments. We'll see how far we get, but we're going to start with 8, which really, when you think about it, if you wanted to paint 10 ornaments a day, if I wanted to do the whole 100 and really fill out the tree, that would just be, 100 divided by 10 would be 10. So in 10 days, if I really wanted to, it would be nothing to paint 10 ornaments a day. Now I'm thinking, should I put 2 more out on here and just make that happen? You know what? We might just make that happen. See, I've convinced myself. So if I want to use them all up this season, and of course this would be the season for ornaments. So I'm going to paint some Christmas, Yule, just kind of the holiday season in general. But I also want to make sure that a good percentage of them, because I mean there's 100 of them here, are geared towards just cozy winter, which is my favorite. So yeah, that way, if somebody just wants a cute little ornament, and you know what, it's past, December, they might still want one for their home because it's so cute, because maybe there's something on it that just gives way to the cozy winter season in general. So what I'm going to do is, I guess this is supposed to be the ornament topper right here, the way it's cut out. So I could paint this any color I want, but for sure I know I want these to be black, I think, on the top, to indicate that that is supposed to be like the ornament holder. I'm going to reuse this Goodwill plastic bag as a little place to put my paints out. I'm going to start, of course, with my Junk Monkey paints. This is our brand of paints, if you've been following for a while. And I'm going to put some black out here. This is the lamp black. Begin to paint, like I said, the tops. I started painting these with a black top, and just got the idea that maybe I should brighten up the tops. I'm just gonna go in a different direction when I start it, but I think the gold tops could be where it's at. What do you think? Yeah? All right, let me paint these all in gold. I love gold. That's pretty. You know, I could even do the edge of them in gold. I think that would be really nice. Just give some brightness to everything. Add glitter. I'm gonna have to go find some glitter for some projects in the coming days. Might even add a little bit of gold into it to brighten it up. Kind of love that. Really love the gold. What do you guys think? Gold. All right, let me dress all these guys up with gold and I'll show you the final reveal. Well, friends, our work is done, and I could not be more happy with how these fun, little, messy, whimsical, of course, I had to start with flowers, you know, we got to get warmed up a little bit here. So a bunch of flowers. Again, I wanted them to be not just holiday related, but beyond. So who knows what else I'll get into, but I feel like this was a good start. So I'm going to continue to do a mix of just, you know, everyday stars, flowers, whatever I want, maybe mermaids, we don't know. And then a bunch of holiday and just kind of intermingle everything. But I really feel like when we did, I'm just gonna let these dry because they've got a bunch of layers of paint onto them. So I'm just gonna let them sit here on my desk and do their thing. And then once they're dry, if I want, depending on how I'm feeling, if I want to do a spray of just acrylic sealer on them, I can, and it'll keep them nice and glossy. And then the last thing to do is, yeah, just put some string on them. And I have a tree. Once I get my tree put up, my green tree, then I can start hanging all these onto them. But yeah, so today I went a little extra. We did 12, I believe. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, 12 in total. And yeah, super fun. I was also thinking, how amazing would these be for gift tags? So if you do a little something for somebody, just to take one of these and put on with a bow on the top of your package. I love handmade. I love the cozy vibes. You are not going to get anything like it than when you find handmade, cozy, just good energy put into it. So anyhow, I love them. So now we only got what? What's 100 minus 12? Anyway, somebody do the math. All right, friends, I will see you guys again. I'll let you know as I continue on my journey here over the next, 9 days of painting all my ornaments and what it looks like when it's done, by the way. Who knows what I'll get into tomorrow. I'm going to work on the ornaments and probably do another project as well and just kind of keep on going like that. I've been making bracelets for the storefront. Always making and creating. I hope you are as well. Time to go wash my hands. Bye. It's me again. I know, you thought I was gone. Well, I came back and I looked at this and I just really wanted to make that star a little brighter because I have extra gold that can make it bright. Our star definitely could be more shiny. I'm happy with this now. And say it with me, we are not going to waste any gold. So we should probably just base paint a few blanks with the gold we have left, because I think it would be kind of cool. That might be black. Maybe leave that black at the top. I think it would be cool to have some gold ornaments on the tree as well. What do you think? 1, 2, 3. Ready for tomorrow.